I think was very exciting. As you know, we went through the whole sand dunes of this place, interiors of Samod in Rajasthan, and we went all across the sand dunes. This was exciting. I just could felt that the car was driving, was even feeling almost as if we are driving in the city.
So you're saying your car was also enjoying, huh?
Yeah. Good. So I think the thing about choose your turf is completely valid, whether city or highway or sand or highway. Zipping is not a problem, which I found nowhere. I think this is. So we're all set to go back to Delhi at we start about 3 p.m. and after all the experiences on the sand dunes. Harish, what looks like the drive back?
We've tested it on the toughest of the terrains, right? And we were able to successfully do it. So it speaks something about the car, right? A diesel SUV to have a pickup, the pep in the car is like, is amazing. I'm just loving it.
So I think for a couple of things, Harish, which I noticed is the suspension, the pickup, and the brakes. I think these three features, and of course the bar. I think these 3-4 features have actually completely distinguishes it from the nearest competitor. And if the nearest competitor is a petrol version for an Indian segment, I think that will just add to the boom.
Apart from all the great features that we've already discussed, the mileage and the fuel cost is going to be a big factor, and I'm quite happy that finally I have a car where I do not have to compromise on the pickup, where I do not have to do an extra labor to drive just because it's a diesel car. It gives me all the comforts of a petrol car, all the pickup of a petrol car, and I shell out 1/3 less money, 30% less money in the maintenance. So that's a great reason for me to go for this car.
And the pricing is comfortable as well. So
and at the end of it, it's not differently priced for all the cars in its own segment. It's just there, right? It's not that I'm not saying that it's underpriced, but it's not overpriced as well. So and with all these pluses, I think it's a good buy. I would recommend it to my friends.